Welcome to the course on data structures and algorithms. Today we will be solving problems based upon converting postfix expression to the infix expression. Now in this conversion process we will be involving stack as a primary data structure. Now in this conversion mechanism we adopted a use of stack. We are reading the given postfix expression from left to the right and putting its operands on the stack. Now while putting the operands and operators on the stack, we will be remembering two things. The first one is whenever we encounter with an operator, we will be popping two operands from a stack and perform their operation with the given operands and place whatever partial result we got. We'll be placing that partial result on top of the stack. Now the above procedure, second rule is above procedure we will be carrying out till all the things from a given postfix expression finishes. To understand the conversion mechanism in postfix to the infix conversion mechanism, let's take an example in which the example is PQR plus star ST divided by minus. This is a given postfix expression and we will be converting it to the infix expression. Now the conversion process is explained or illustrated with this example in a following table. In this following table there are three different columns we have taken here. The first one is item we are reading from the expression, then what we are putting on top of this stack, and last one is a partial expression and a action we are taking. So initially in the expression there is a P, so we have started with the P, we have taken the P into account, then P is placed on the stack. The second one is a Q, then Q is taken, then Q is placed on the top of the stack. Then there is a R, then R is also taken and placed it on the top of the stack. So in total on a stack there is P, Q, R, R is on the top of the stack. Next, while reading the expression, while reading this postfix expression, we encounter with a plus, that is a addition operator. As earlier I told, once we encounter with operator, we will be taking out two operands out of this stack and perform that desired operation. So here I mention take out R and Q and perform addition operation as Q plus R, and we are putting back this Q plus R on the top of the stack. Next one, in the next step, that is step number 5, where we are reading star from the postfix expression as Q plus R is on the top of the stack, P is next to that, and as earlier I told, whenever we encounter with a operator, we will be taking operands, two operands out of the stack, we are popping them out and perform the desired operation. In this case, on the top of the stack there is a Q plus R which is taken out, then P is also taken out and multiplication operation is performed, so that my partial expression is going to become P into bracket Q plus R. Now P into bracket Q plus R is placed on the top of the stack. The next thing we are reading is S. Then S is a operand, so directly we are putting it on the top of the stack. The next is T. T is also operand, so we are directly putting it on the top of the stack. After this, next thing we encountered is a operator, and that is division operator. As earlier I told, whenever we encounter with a operator, directly we are taking top and top minus 1 atoms from the stack and perform their operation, so that S and T is taken out from the stack, that is the thing present at top and top minus 1 is taken out and their division is performed. As their division is performed, whatever thing we got, we are directly putting that on the top of the stack, so that S by T is placed on top of the stack. And next thing we encountered from the given postfix expression is a minus. As we got a minus, as earlier I told, if you encounter with a operator, directly take top and top minus 1 elements out of the stack and perform that operation, so that S by T and P into bracket Q plus R is taken out from the stack and their subtraction is performed. After performing that subtraction, that expression is going to become P into bracket Q plus R minus S divided by T. As we look at this moment, nothing is remaining with a postfix expression. Then what is present on the stack, top of the stack, is P into bracket Q plus R minus S by T is our final infix expression. Now, in order to understand or in order to check whatever expression, infix expression we got, now we want to check its correctness. To check its correctness, very simple thing we are doing here is construction of a expression tree. Now in this example we constructed a expression tree which is rooted at minus. Now in this expression I have also marked a path of traversing it, and on which I marked it as single visit, double visit and third time visit. Now based upon this, we already know that there is a convention. Things we are recording in the first visit, it is a prefix. Things we are recording in the second visit, this gives you a infix, and things we are recording in the third visit, that gives you a postfix expression. Now we tried to record the things in the first visit, and whenever we record it in first visit, that becomes minus star P plus Q R divided by S T, and this is the prefix expression of a given from this given or from this tree. Now I record the things in second visit. If you try to record the things in second visit, it becomes P into Q plus R minus S by T, and that is a infix expression we already calculated, which we already identified. Now we'll try to record a third visit. If you try to record third visit, it gives you P Q R plus star multiplication, that is multiplication ST divided by minus. If you look at this expression carefully, we'll identify this is the given postfix, means whatever conversion of postfix to the infix we carried out with a multiple steps of a stack kind of the data structure, and that leads whatever it that leads to the correct result. So, this kind of the questions are asked into Pune University question papers of a data structure. Specifically, this example is also taken from that only. Thanks for watching the video.